dangerous to say the least. So far from a superstar, and my daydreams are killing me. Feel like I'm
Simulator game part 2. So let's get started. So let's create a new game basically. So let's get a classic base plate and let's load it up. Basically, yeah. So here's we're loading place. Okay, here's our place, right? So now let's go to the server script service. I think you might not see the GUI there, but I see it. So press on the plus and press on the script. You might not see it. You might see it pressing on the starter GUI or server storage or whatever. But actually, I'm getting a script here. I think you see it, right? So here. So let's call it leader stats.
You can remove this.
So here. So
here
now we have the leader stats. So let's write down our script. So I might skip it for you because I think you're not interested how I'm gonna write it.
Money,
But yeah,
like
so
which kind
let
of
me
money,
write this
whatever you
script.
want, right?
So it doesn't really matter for me. Like I'm just speedrunning, making just a classic game, the most popular kind of games like strings and cache. Also, I forgot to make space here. So sorry. So here we are. So this is our script. You can pause the video and write the script, and I'll just I think no need of the reverses. We're still not on this stage. So let's check it out. Let's press play and let's load our base plate. Yeah, sorry, a bit laggy. So as you can see, we have the leader stats here, but we don't have actually the tools here to use them and get points, right? So let's get the toolbox. But it's not necessary to use toolbox. You can just, as you can see, you can just create a par here, like a cylinder, and just scale it however you want or how you want. Okay, so I don't really want to do this because it's just a tutorial. So let's just go to the toolbox and search weight. Okay, so now we're searching for weight. You might not see it, but okay, so let's get the weight. No, don't put this in the starter packs. Here's our weight basically. Also make sure it doesn't touch the ground, because if it does, the people that are gonna spawn and take this they're gonna when they're gonna take the weight out of their pocket, it's gonna be like, yeah, it's gonna be a bit laggy. So get out to the land. So here our way, so we can resize it however you want. If you want to resize it, go to the handle, open this way. Also, if you see any local scripts, remove them, or any scripts. So here we have a handle. So take the inside of the way, go to the handle here, handle, and you can and take the mesh. And I recommend you don't have to do this, but I'm just doing it to just make it a bit better. Okay, so no, sorry, I was just making a game before 5 minutes ago, so that's why. So here's the game. So you can make 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. Wait, sorry, 0.5. Okay, here's the weight. I think is a good size for it. Okay, so we're gonna write down our script, but so now we're done with it. So basically, you can color it whatever you want. Okay. I don't. You can look at the video and watch this or whatever. Okay, but basically, I'm not gonna put the leader stats like below the description. But you can go to the Discord to ask for help, and I can send you the script basically. So you can go to the Discord basically. So here's our way. So now let's put this. Let's create a script and let's write down our script, right? Let's go. Okay, I think like last time you will not be really interested me doing this, so let's do it. So let me do this. Let me write down the script. So here's our script. So you can pause the video and write it. By the way, you don't necessarily need this thing, but I recommend you because otherwise people can just after click without stop, and if they do this, like there will be no meaning in your game. So there will be no meaning in your game. Okay, no gold in this game. So look, so here, this is I'm gonna just explain this. Okay, so this is cooldown, so they can't after click basically, and yeah, let's close this. Ta-da. Okay, so basically here's our hand. Okay, also call the script add strings. Okay, sorry, my voice is bad. My bad. Okay, so now as we have the way, we can put her at the starter pack. Let's close the server script service. We don't need the script. So let's close the starter pack. Now let's go to the workspace, and at the workspace, get the script and call it main event. Not necessarily, but to recommend you because it's gonna be easier because it will be my style, you know. And basically, almost all YouTubers do this. Even a gamer made style. By the way, he's a cool YouTuber. Yeah, so basically here's the script. Let me write down the script. Okay, I'm gonna do it again like last times. So basically we wrote the script. So here's the script. You can pause and write it as you know. So yeah, that's the script we need. So now we can close this and let's go play. Let's go check it out. Let's load in. Yeah, and let's go to our base play. You can edit the map later. I don't really care because yeah, it's just a tutorial. So basically, this is a way. So if it doesn't work, we did something wrong. But if we did something wrong, it's fine. Okay, God, sorry. So let's see. Let's check the script again. Oh yeah, sorry. Also don't forget to add a remote event in the main event stuff. So I think you don't see this, but add a remote event, you know. So call it add strings, and it's gonna activate. Okay. So let's check. So let's play. Let's check it out if it actually works. And let's see if it works. Okay. Okay. Let's load in. Oh wait, let's see if we got one more mistake. I'm sorry, I'm just a classic starter developer. So let's see if we got a mistake. No mistakes here. So let's see the main event. Script the add string the on server event. Player, yeah. Also, by the way, wait. 1 second, let me fix the script. Okay, I'm really sorry for what just happened, but I guess it's fine. So yeah, I know I'm dumb head. So basically, go to the way and change the script to the local script. Take the script basically and remove the script and put the local scripts here. So it should work because also I forgot that the scripts are used to manage something in the whole server, but the wait are used for I mean local scripts are used for the other stuff. So yeah, sorry, I'm a bit not really smart at the scripting, but trying to get better, you know. So here's yeah, now it works. Now it works. So here we get when we click, we get strings each time we click. So also I forgot where's the script output. Okay, wait. Let me just leave for a second. Where's the command bar? Okay, output. I need output. Yeah. In case we have a problems. Okay. So here it's good. So I guess we need to close this because it's uncomfortable. So next, what we're gonna do is gonna be creating basically GUIs that are gonna just actually like how should I explain you? Like they're gonna be um, doing something like showing your leader stats, so peoples don't need to check like the leader stats GUI over here, not a GUI, the just leader stat thing. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this thing. So let's go to the starter GUI, create a screen GUI. I think you know what I was going to tell right now. Yeah, so we can call this main. Let's call this main, and let's create GUIs. Let's create the GUI. Where's my GUI? Okay, text label. So I also recommend you to close this because so all people can see it properly. So here we go. And I think, and this is the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed. Also in the next episode I will show you how to make the GUIs basically, and hope you enjoyed. Bye.
So dark and cold-hearted, I'm breathless to say the least. So far from a superstar, and my daydreams are killing me.